The BMW Concept Skytop is a stunning open two-seater concept car that was unveiled at the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este on Lake Como. This one-off vehicle is a modern interpretation of timeless automotive design, combining classic luxury features and precise craftsmanship with high-tech details. The harmonious design of the headlights blends highly complex details into the overall concept. The LED units, positioned on milled aluminium carriers, were custom developed for the BMW Concept Skytop, utilizing the latest technology and design for automotive headlights with the slimmest profile currently available. There are also similarities in engine variants with the BMW Z8. Like the legendary Roadster, the BMW Concept Skytop also comes with the most powerful V8 engine in the BMW drivetrain portfolio. The clean exterior of the BMW Concept Skytop is designed to inspire a desire to travel. Its taut, muscular surfaces are defined by a few precise lines that direct the vehicle's volume towards the rear. Winglets discreetly integrated into the door shoulders replace conventional door handles. Light alloy wheels with precise lamellars further enhance its unique appearance. The flat and defined shape of the rear lights complements the BMW Concept Skytop's overall appearance. The leather seats in the interior feature Brogue-style accents. The reddish-brown tone of the surfaces creates a consistent color scheme that gives the whole interior a sense of luxury and spaciousness. Crystal applications are artfully embedded in the cockpit, adding to the overall impression. The interior surfaces of the BMW Concept Skytop were crafted in the traditional saddlery of the BMW Group plant in Dingolfing. The leather-finished rollover bar behind the BMW Concept Skytop's two seats is combined with side fins on the B-pillar and a fully retractable rear window. The two removable roof parts, also finished in leather, can be stored in a special compartment in the luggage space. Color scheme ensures a smooth transition from interior to exterior, regardless of whether the roof is open or closed. In the rear section, the reddish-brown tone of the roof flows into the muted silver with chrome shadow effect of the exterior paintwork. The technically elaborate color gradient was crafted by an experienced master painter at BMW Group plant Dingolfing.